Let's start by having a look at what's happening in Europe, because here it's been a bit wetter, 32 millimetres on the border between France and Germany, Strasbourg, over half the monthly average, and we can see that there's a cluster of storms here. Now, these storms haven't been around as much as we've seen lately. In fact, a large part of western France down into Spain and Portugal, despite the fact we've had a fair amount of cloud, we've actually got away with a slightly drier morning and possibly some dry weather to come. The sunshine from really southern Scandinavia all the way through Poland into Hungary and Romania, continuing as we move into Saturday as well. Now, for Spain and Portugal, this high pressure probably giving some more settled weather. Low pressure still generating a few showers, but I think the shower threat drifting a little bit further away to the east over the next few days, and at the same time a weather system will move in off the Atlantic. That'll make the change in temperatures quite apparent across these more western parts of Europe. We're likely to see it cooling down for the United Kingdom, certainly for the western part of France into the northern reaches of Spain and Portugal. So for the detail, let's look at the Mediterranean, because here I think some fine dry weather through the weekend and pretty warm as well, 25 or 26 Celsius our top temperature. Spain, I think, dry for Saturday. Some showers around across parts of France, but they're going to become more isolated, I think, and quite warm in Bordeaux at 27 degrees Celsius. For ourselves, we still have a lot of cloud around in the south, and fingers of cloud have run quite a long way to the northwest during the course of the morning, possibly even giving a few spots of rain into the Manchester area, and a little belt of rain trying to get into the far southeast of England as well. Otherwise, north from there into Northern Ireland, much of northern England and across a large part of Scotland, summer continuing with that sunshine and temperatures up at around 20 or 21 degrees Celsius. Feeling warmer, I think, in some of these more central areas because the winds have begun to ease off. Now then, this evening we'll probably see some of those showers turn up in Northern Ireland, certainly reaching the northwest of England, and again perhaps knocking on the door of the borders of Scotland. Down the east coast, though, basically dry, and here some of that mist returning during the course of the night. Our lowest temperatures overnight will in the north around about 5, in the south 9 or 10 degrees in these more central parts of England. And then as we look towards the weekend, we do start to see this area of low pressure and these Atlantic weather systems getting a little bit closer, and they will eventually move across the whole of the United Kingdom, probably not until the end of Monday before it all moves through. So the forecast for Saturday is for sunshine, but also a risk of some showers. Some of those showers now turning up in Northern Ireland and across the more western parts of Scotland. And then on Sunday, a band of rain trying to get in from the west, but for many eastern districts, it'll remain fine and dry and still quite warm with the top temperature around 22. Bye for now.